Welcome to another Zen pop-up. So in this little Zen pop-up workshop, what I want to talk about is your YouTube channel. So if you're like me and you love YouTube and it's a really good way for you to market your business, you need to make sure that your channel is up to scratch. Now, lucky for you, we've brought out a challenge. We brought this out quite a while ago. All the techniques are still current in use. So that hasn't changed, so it's still a course that is worth you doing. We will be rerunning the challenge at some point, but you can still go in there and see the videos and get your YouTube channel up to shape. So if you don't know anything about YouTube, or you just want your YouTube channel to grow and be better organized, this is definitely going to be the challenge that you want to sign up for. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a screen share and just show you, for instance, our channel here at Zenler. So we have our own channel, so 𝗭𝗚/Zenler. You can see it's a customized URL in there for our channel. We also have some nice channel art inside here, and we have all of our trailers at the top and new releases, leveling up, pop-ups, summit of events, all these things, all very well organized within the site with our community, and a series of playlists in here with tons and tons of video and content for people to find and search really easily. Now, this isn't something that you can just do overnight. If you've got a lot of content in there, you're going to need to go through those videos and make sure you're doing things the right way. So if, for instance, we go into our one-to-one booking video, which comes up, we do have course cards at the front of each of these videos, but more importantly, down this side, we have the information inside here, and it's quite thorough, and it fills out exactly what's going on inside the platform, as well as the sign up link to actually join up with New Zenler in the first place. So if people are coming in to find help on a particular subject, like understanding creating forms on Zenler, or even one of our coming to one of our summits, they've always got access to go to a link to go to the actual sign up. So it's a marketing tool that's really effective. So also, if we look at things like our day with Zenler that we run down here, you're going to see that we've actually put playlists into here, and it makes it really easy to jump to those particular sections of the video. So inside here, if we click, we can go straight to that part of the video with Kevin in there. So we make sure we chapter as many of the videos as we can, just to make it convenient for you guys to jump to there. You'll also notice that we've got the use of using hashtags in here, plus emojis to make it a little bit more eye-catching. There's a lot of other things that are going on behind the scenes. So with that in mind, I really suggest, if you want to get your YouTube channel the best it can be, you should go into tutorials.newzenler.com, go down to our on-demand section, scroll down, and you're going to find that we have a YouTube challenge inside here. Just click and enroll for this. We will be running it again, but this will give you all the information you need for setting up your YouTube channel. So set up your YouTube channel, create cover image and profile images. You can set up time-saving defaults, add in channel links. You've got writing scripts and content, choosing the right key phrases, making your channel SEO ready. We've got linking the right way in your channel. We got best practices for YouTube videos, scripts for videos, tags and hashtags, upload defaults, and so much more within this course. It's got really good reviews in here. As you can see, it's 5 out of 5. We have a ton of reviews inside here, people saying how much they love this YouTube challenge that me and Alice ran. So we will be running this again next year in 2023. But for now, you can jump in here and you can learn all of this content, and YouTube is so powerful. So guys, you bloggers out there, if you're blogging and you're writing a blog post and you turn that into a video, you can embed that video in the blog post, turn it into a vlog, and then your conversion rates will skyrocket. As we know, vlogs are definitely better at converting than standard blogs. So get in there. Get in there, learn this stuff. It's all really easy. We've broken it down really easy for you guys with a few extras thrown into the course as well. So get in there and learn and make your YouTube channel the best it can be.